Authorize Net Accept Hosted is a secure payment gateway that allows merchants to accept online payments from customers. To get started with Authorize Net Accept Hosted, the first step is to create a merchant account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. Next, you need to configure your payment form to redirect customers to the Authorize Net Hosted payment page. This page is a secure URL where customers can enter their payment information. To do this, you will need to generate a token, known as a token key, which is used to authenticate the transaction. Once the customer has entered their payment information, Authorize Net will redirect them back to your website with a response token. You can then use this token to retrieve the transaction details and update your database. One of the key benefits of using Authorize Net Accept Hosted is that it provides a high level of security and compliance with industry standards such as PCI DSS. This means that you do not need to store sensitive payment information on your servers, reducing the risk of data breaches and fraud. To ensure a seamless payment experience for your customers, it is essential to test your payment form thoroughly. You can use the Authorize Net Sandbox environment to test your payment form and verify that it is working correctly. Best practices for using Authorize Net Accept Hosted include using a secure connection, such as HTTPS, to protect sensitive payment information. You should also ensure that your payment form is mobile-friendly and easy to use, to reduce the risk of cart abandonment. In addition, it is essential to provide clear instructions and support to your customers in case they encounter any issues during the payment process. This can include providing a phone number or email address for customer support, as well as a FAQ section on your website. By following these tips and best practices, you can provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers and reduce the risk of fraud and data breaches. Authorize Net Accept Hosted is a reliable and trusted payment gateway that can help you to grow your business and increase customer satisfaction.